How to find Instagram password and username. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can find Instagram password and username. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Instagram app and then you have to click your profile icon on the bottom right corner and it's going to bring you to this window. On this window, you simply have to click edit profile and it's going to open up with this window, and here you can see your username. This is your username. Now you can go back and you can also see your username over here. Now to see your password, just close the Instagram app and head over to your settings on your iPhone. Click settings, and once you're on your settings, you have to scroll through and go to the bottom until you find the option that says apps and choose this option. Now you have to search for passwords over here, or you can just go through the list and find the password app in the list. So just go to the P section and then you'll find the passwords app, or you can simply use the search bar and search for it. Click passwords, and now you have to scroll down and choose open passwords. And now you simply have to click this all option, and once you click the all option, you have to search for the app Instagram in your list, and you have to give your Face ID, and then you can just view your password of your Instagram. And that's how you find Instagram password and username. Thanks for watching.